Self-publishing is getting more and more popular day by day. There are an increasing number of people who are using the Amazon KDP platform for it. This is a good way to get your work out there and start building a following. There is also a segment of creators who are focusing on publishing only low content and no content books. But what exactly are these books, and are they profitable? Low content books are paperback books that contain only a minimal amount of written text or little to no text or images. They provide the reader with guided content and are created to be filled with the content by its user. There are plenty of different examples of low content books, but the most often are workbooks, logbooks, activity books, coloring books, daily planners, calendars, journals, and diaries. As the term describes, these types of books don't contain any written text at all. However, even if they are not containing any text, they contain lines, patterns, or ornaments. In fact, no content books are so easy to create that most people who are starting with Amazon KDP are publishing them. When we are speaking about no content books, here are a few examples. Blank notebooks, journals, line notebooks, composition books, notepads. The answer to this question is yes. You can definitely make money with low content books. It is nothing extraordinary to make hundreds of dollars per month with these books. With no content books, it is a little harder. This is because no content books are easy to create. You can make them in a few minutes, and they are oversaturated. So, if you want to make money, you should definitely choose low content books. Selling your low content books on Amazon with Kindle direct publishing can be highly profitable even in 2022. The great thing about selling low content and no content books is that you are selling these books on Amazon, a #1 online retailer. And not only on the US marketplace, but you are also able to sell them on every Amazon marketplace. It is a worldwide opportunity. Although it might seem strange, there are tons of people who are buying even the no-content books like line notebooks or journals. For example, the best-selling low-content books on Amazon are adult coloring books. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing has changed the way independent authors can publish their work. This platform offers a variety of benefits to writers who want to publish their books on an online platform. These benefits include faster publishing times, lower costs, and more flexibility in how they can publish their books. Publishing your no-content or low-content books through KDP gives you access to a worldwide audience without any additional expenses. So, the question is, should you start selling low content or no content books on Amazon KDP? In my opinion, do not sell any no content books. Instead, focus on low content books such as coloring books, logbooks, or workbooks. You have to also niche down to find opportunities with low competition. This is because there is a huge competition in this segment and you have to stand out. You should also be prepared that selling through Amazon KDP means publishing hundreds of books. It's about quantity, not quality. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section and I will try to reply.